Hello learners. Basically in this video we will understand how to create classroom with the help of Google Classroom app. First and foremost, you have to download the Classroom app from the Play Store. Just you can write down that is Google Classroom. This particular app is already installed in my phone, so easily I can access. जैसे ही आप ये ऐप डाउनलोड कर लेंगे, the kind of window which will appear is this. अभी तो मेरी क्लासेस क्रिएटेड हैं, that's why I have around 4 to 5 classes created. जिनकी क्लासेस क्रिएटेड नहीं होंगी उनके पास ये विंडो ब्लैंक होगी. नाउ एज अ टीचर आपको कोई गूगल क्लासरूम क्रिएट करना है फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी मच helpful to take the assignments, take the conduction of test quiz very easily. So for this you can start with this plus button. Easily you can go on this plus button. What will happen after clicking the plus button? There will be two options. Either there is join class or either you have to create class. Now students also have to download. They will go with the join class option, but you have to go with the create class option as you are the educator. So first let us click on the create class option. Once you click on the create class option, you can read out the condition. This is for G Suite for education and many other benefits are given for G Suite, but we are using the free app, so you can click on continue. It's not chargeable. You can write your class name. Suppose here I want to create now 12th business studies class, so I can write 12th BST section. Suppose it is for commerce section I have to create, so here it is commerce room. You can enter anything. Subject you can write BST. For easy learning you can mention above only because that will be displayed to the student immediately, so that will be easy. For that subject I have taken BST. So once you create the class, what will happen, this the class will be created. Now after creating the class, what other things you have to do, that if you want to add the co-teachers, if you want to students, that can be helped with the creation. It will take some time, be patient for that. Now I can see the class has been created. Now you have to share the code with the students, as well as if you want to invite the teachers, so he can go with the people. Here you can see the two options, teachers as well as students. If you want to add the co-teachers, just click on the teachers icon, ask their Gmail ID and you can send them the invite. Secondly, if you want to add the students with the Gmail, you can ask the students Gmail account and then you can add up easily. After that, if students are not able to join with the Gmail account, you can just give them the class code. So here in the setting button you can just see the class code mentioned. Class code is, suppose here class code, here it is mentioned as I am highlighting here, the class code is automatically generated. So आपको ये class code copy paste करके अपने students को देना है. That can be easily, once you will click it, it will be copied, and ultimately what will happen, easily you can share this class code with the students. You can share with the WhatsApp or other things. After the class has been created, you will be seeing that the students are started joining and you can start working on the assignment. Now I'm showing you the other class in which I have given the assignment and the students have submitted me. It is 11th e-ship. Now you can see the peoples have joined. These are my students. Here the classwork. In this you can have many option. Once you click with the plus button, आपके पास बहुत सारे option आ जाएंगे. You can give them assignment. अब assignment, when you are creating the assignment, what will happen, an assignment will be created easily. You can upload the assignment in PDF form or you can attach. Now just see this feature also. Once you create the assignment, you have to mention the title of assignment. Suppose I want to give them unit first assignment this time, so I will create the unit 1. I can give the description, I can write the point. Suppose for this I want 10 point, so I will grade that. If you want to give them due date for submission, suppose I want to give them due date for submission is 30th June, means the Tuesday. So I can select on that topic. You can select, it is optional. Time you can give them, it's in optional. Topic you can decide. Suppose it is related with e-ship topic introduction. So I can write it is introduction. It will be there, and it will be easily highlighted in the app. Once the introduction has been done, or you can create a new topic in front of you. Once it has been done, what will happen, you will just go on post this. So once you will post, particularly description, you can just add up the assignment also. Here the description is given, suppose complete the assignment by 30th June. Now here you can attach the file, attach the link, attach the other photos, or you can also record your video. You can attach the PDF also, new PDF if you want to. If you want to create the PDF, it will be allowed. Suppose I want to add up a PDF or a file from my recent documents. Either you can use with the cam scanner also. I will show you in the other video how to upload the assignment. Now how to check the assignments those students have submitted. First and foremost, those students have submitted, let us see. Suppose I have created this assignment yesterday, so one student has turned in. As soon as you can see, you can go on that particular assignment, you can click the PDF. Now here the option is being given by the Google to check the assignment as well. Suppose I want to check the assignment, I can check the assignment with the easily with the stylus or with the fingers, as you feel comfortable. You can write down the notes. If you want additional things, you can erase it, what you want, what you have done. Next is your highlighter. You want to highlight or marker, it has been given in for the students and for the teachers only. Let's see, the teachers only can edit this. Once it has been done, you have to save it, and then even what grades which you have allotted for this assignment, you can allot it for the students. अब इसका सिंपल तरीका ये होगा कि once you have created, when you will open in your laptop, an Excel sheet will be generated easily, and you can just save it, that Excel sheet, for your further record as an internal assessment record. Because whatever internal assessments you are giving, that will be helpful for you for giving the internal grades. So see, I have assigned a grade, so it will be showing that there's 15 assigned, means 15 students have still not submitted and one has submitted. This way you can create the assignment. Hope you understand how to create the class and how to give the assignments. For more videos, kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you, learners.